The petition on communications in the islands and the use of Starlink was officially laid on the table at this week's sitting of the Legislative Assembly. As sponsor, MLA Roger Spink highlighted the 2,416 signatures received and read the requests for action on the petition.
The petition reads, to the Honourable Members of the Legislative Assembly are respectfully requested by the undersigned to take immediate steps to abolish the VSAT licence fee entirely or to reduce it to a proportionate level, not exceeding £180 per year. We also call on the communications regulator to give regulatory approval for Starlink to offer domestic tariffs in the Falkland Islands rather than forcing people to rely on more expensive global roaming tariffs. We, the undersigned residents of the Falkland Islands, express our deep concern and outrage at the recent announcement by the communications regulator regarding VSAT licences and the threat to prosecute Starlink users. Fast, reliable and affordable internet access is a basic necessity in today's world, and it is vital for our community's connectivity, economy and overall well-being.
Petitions often go nowhere and make no difference, but this one I believe is and will be different. There are so many names on it, and that speaks loudly that a huge amount of those who live and work in the Falklands want change. I believe that our present telecoms provider could up their game and deliver cheaper and unlimited packages. Maybe not at the speeds of what their now rival, or could be their rival here in the Falklands, can provide, but something that goes a long way to bettering what we have now. FIG has pumped a lot of money in, trying to help Shore improve things, but I'm not sure we're seeing any willingness to embrace these new technological and lower prices. I'm not sure whether their aim is to hang on to their present profit margins for as long as they can. But again, I say to them, the future has arrived. You cannot hold back the tide. A faster and cheaper service, I believe, can be provided. I have made this comment before, but I'm presuming that we shall be calling for individuals and organisations to give evidence to the committee, and I very much hope, in the interests of fairness and getting a balanced view, that Shore will avail themselves to speak in public, stating their position on what is being asked.
A select committee will be formed consisting of all the members of the Legislative Assembly. MLA Spink will chair and MLA Roberts will vice chair the committee. The committee will determine its own procedures, and the first meeting of the select committee will be held on the 1st of August. A report will then be submitted to the Legislative Assembly upon completion of its deliberations.